Ay, itong higi. So,
Ja. Pas op, ouma gaan nou skiet, maak toe jou ore.
Sit jou hand terug. Sit jou handjie reg. Druk dit. Asseblief. Mama moet net op curlers uit.
dis wat moet gaan neem voor
Ek sien die reën gaan kom, ja.
Ja, ja. Yes, dan maak jy al baie. En net hoe die vinger.
Azay.
Kyk hoe konsentrasie.
Brood.
Nee, wacht, je moet mooi kijken, wat? Ja, je moet nog een beetje. Hij zit er snel. Dus nou om is het brood. Dus nou om is het brood. Kijk, 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 ook al.
Hey everyone, it is Friday today, the 28th, and we are on our way back to Okanya. The farm was really awesome, like you saw the vlogs and stuff. I did not, like I said previously, I did not vlog myself much, but I definitely did vlog a lot of things that we did. So I hope those vlogs are really nice for you. So we are back on our way again, and I have this little tiny monkey with me. Hello monkey. She's coming back, so it has been 3 weeks that she has been on the farm, so it's time to go back home. Say hello Baba. Hello Nunu. Hello Nunu. And she got a little baby for Christmas. So we just almost reached our destination, and then the car broke down. So we are just waiting for our
nog iewers. Was dit net
Nee,
hier?
is net daai in die stokke lekker.
Of weer, dit is nog stokkie lekker. Waar is hulle?
Anyway, en daar iewers in die sak. In 'n rooi sak,
Rooi, o, die kleintjie.
Anyway, sorry. So we're just waiting for my father-in-law and mother-in-law to come tow us, and then yeah, hopefully the car isn't totally wrecked and we could fix it. But yeah, we were like almost there, like this much, and then the car decided to, yeah, and it just sprang. We don't know what's wrong, we just know it sprang out of its gear, and yeah, it started like shaking, like the whole engine is shaking and stuff, so that's kind of a bummer. Yeah, so we're just waiting patiently. We are safe at our destination, but the car is towed, so now we're just packing out. Hopefully it'll be fine. Hopefully it can be fixed.
Why freaking me? Mama? Mama? What?
Goeie genade. Oh my goodness.
Hulle sal seker weet daar's vrede ja. My shit.
Jojo.
Arme kind.
Waar gaan die piesantjie?
Hey. Dis net 'n foto.
So the previous clip I showed you is there was like a storm, like a rainstorm, heavy bad, and it basically ripped the neighbor's roof like totally off their, completely off the house itself. So the whole roof was to the one side, and yeah, it was just like when we drove past, they were like emptying the stuff out of the house because obviously everything was just like soaking wet and stuff. So that's kind of bad. And then the other one I showed you, you can see the tree, kind of the few of its branches collapsed. So yeah, that's when it starts raining in Namibia. You don't get rain for months and months and months, and then suddenly it rains, and then it just like destroys everything. And another factor is the lightning like hit out the power, and now we're sitting here with no power.
Inverter.
Oh, the inverter. Not that I know what that is, but sure you will. So yeah, we're sitting here with no power. Yeah. We'll probably have the night with no power. I think like the fridges and stuff, we will be just running them on the generator. I'm not really sure. But yeah, what a day to start. The car breaking down, the power so like whatever, seizing, breaking, whatever, and the tree fell apart. At least it's not our roof that like got blown away, because that would have been bad. So we're actually lucky. We don't have that much damages as we thought. So yeah. Moet ek hier krap? Daarso.